we are gonna learn how to create campaigns for your wedding photography business. Here we can select the objective. We can go through traffic engagement. If we want to get people to fill the forms, then we choose the leads option. But here we want to get people to message us on Instagram. That's why we are choosing engagements. Here we got two options. One is recommended setting by Meta, where they are done for you campaign. Means you don't have much control there. But we go to manual engagement campaign, so we have more control. First, we just name these campaigns wedding leads 25. In this section, all we have to do is just set. In this section, all we have to do is just set the budget, our daily budget. Then we move on to ad set, audience is soon to be weds or engaged couples, whatever you say. Then they are asking us where do you want to get conversions. We want them to message us on Instagram. That's why we are selecting Insta and deselecting Messenger. Here our performance goal is maximum number of conversations, not clicks. That's why you don't have to schedule it. If you want to schedule this ad to run from tomorrow, then you can do that here. But we don't need to right now. Let's select the area. Now this client of mine wants to target his cities only. That's why we are targeting Hyderabad only. You can add nearby locations as well. It's all on you. Now they are asking us to turn this option off so they can reach more people who are likely responding to our ad within nearby the area of Hyderabad. But we want to deselect this because they will show our ad to anyone. Here also they encourage us to use their advantage plus audience option, but we don't want to do that because sometimes it performs better if we are in if I am running ads of e-commerce businesses, but for wedding photo it is not that good. So we go with use original audience. Now we can select age group, that is 23 to 24 to 33 to 34. Genders, if you want to only target brides, then you can go with woman, but I prefer to go with both. In targeting, we got weddings, wedding photography, videography, wedding ring, invitation, engagement, newly engaged, 3 months, 6 months, both wedding days. By mistake, I have added newlywed. You don't want to do that. These are enough. There are more ways we can target these people. I will tell you more about that in next video because this is the general targeting, but we can only put one interest here because sometimes our campaign targeting goes viral because of this general targeting. So we choose only one interest at a time in one ad set. I will I will create another video for that. Now in placements, we do manual placements. Select Instagram only. Next. So here are some other options as well. Like you can target people based on the phone they are using. So if you go in show all, you can select the devices. If I want to target people who are iPhone users, I can do that. But it is better to go broad always. So we are going with all mobile devices. In one campaign, we always test two ads. Now in ad creative, we got two ads right now. Picture are the same, just headline is in one ad headline is up, in second headline is down. Call to action should be learn more or get code. I already set up this campaign, so we are gonna use those copy only. We will use this primary text announcing the most offensively affordable high quality pre-wedding photography packages, premium wedding photography packages. Simply hit the get code button to inquire about your wedding package details now. Now we comes to this. Here I have already created. The way you can create it is you can simply click on this. You can type in congratulations here, first name of the recipient, wishing you lots of love and happiness. Let's talk about your big day. Then we type some pre-filled questions for them, like that I want to inquire for my wedding photography. I want to inquire for my pre-wedding photography. When can we have a consultation appointment with you? Or anything like that. And then save. So our ad is ready here. Once they click on that, they send us message like this. So we simply want to duplicate this ad and just change the image. Before we use this, now we are going to use. So our campaign is done here. You can see the difference. Here our headline is up and here it is down. So whichever perform well, we will continue that, and we will drop the one which is not performing. So you should always go with this campaign setup to get the better performance. So we are gonna publish it. My Mac is gonna die soon. So we have published that campaign that will reflect here soon. It takes 2 to 3 hours to get of that review. Then the ads will start running. If you want to know more about me, you want to book a consultation call, you can visit advertisingintoprofit.com and schedule a call with me. You can see the results I have generated here. You can also see some of my ads. Here are other information that you may need. This is my workspace. Once you click on this button, you will be redirected to Calendly where you can schedule a call with me as per your convenience. Okay. See you in the next video.